What's going on, guys? Over at my parents' house today, just getting a couple things ready to go up to my work tomorrow. Getting my welder ready to go. Getting my dad's old toolbox ready to go. I'm running out of room in my main box at work, so I'm going to use this to just put some of my extra things into. But while I was here, I figured I'd make a little video on my dad's new toolbox. Let's check out what's inside. Miscellaneous, some picks, nut drivers, extra light bulbs and stuff. Got screwdrivers, pliers, mostly Craftsman. These are here at Nipex. These are the best pliers you can buy. These things are awesome. Got standard wrenches, all Craftsman. Metric wrenches, Craftsman. Some pliers, vice grips, adjustable wrenches. Here is the socket drawer. Ingersoll Rand 3/8 ratchet, Harbor Freight torque wrench, Craftsman sockets, extensions, ratchets, spark plug sockets, standard stuff, impact sockets. Got hammers, tape measures, couple brushes, cutting tools, some miscellaneous, some wire brushes, DVOM from Harbor Freight, pens, Sharpies, tire gauge, some electrical stuff. This drawer is empty. I think this one's empty too. Yep. Already looked at that. 1/2 inch impact. Some pry bars. Miscellaneous stuff kinda. DA sander, some zip ties. Some extra sandpaper. Some just kind of extra miscellaneous stuff, and some more miscellaneous, and that's pretty much it. I'm probably going to be making a video of my main toolbox at work eventually whenever I get a chance, and just let me know what else you guys want to see. Probably going to make a couple videos about the cars. Here's the show car right there. And the daily right out here. Alright, that's gonna be all for today, guys. I'll see you in the next one.
This is our identity.